There is procedure to install good habits in your life. Let us discuss them. Step 1. Set yourself up to succeed. Install your system in such a format that leads you to your success. For example, if you want to lose weight, then remove all junk foods from your home and stop purchasing them. If you want to drink more water, then fill the bottles and put it at several places in your home. If you want to read a book at night before going to bed, then that book should be by your bedside. Step 2. Think addition, not subtraction. Always think of adding principle when achieving any goals. For example, it's not what you take out of your diet, but it's what you put in instead. Put your focus and energy on what you want in your life, rather what you have to remove. Step 3. Go for PDA, that is Public Display of Accountability. Are you serious about leaving your bad habits? If yes, then display your bad habit status like quitting smoking on the social media. Let your friends and colleagues know about it. Put this status on the wall of office cubicle. Put this status in the form of Excel for tracking. As your Excel has more access for not smoking, you will get boost up from your colleagues and friends. You will be more responsible now, not to quit the chart, but to quit the smoking. You can be disciplined and more responsible and quit any habits through public display of accountability when many people are observing you. Step 4. Find a success buddy. Do you want to be regular at gym or run, or reading book, or preparing for any competitive examination? Get a partner who loves doing these activities. If you want to improve in any field, then get your partner. This will up your chances of success in that field. You can also form a small community to discuss wins and losses and solutions and other aspects of life. Step 5. Competition and camaraderie. Organize friendly competition with your friends, colleagues, or teammates. Think of injecting fun rivalry and a competitive spirit into your new life. Step 6. Celebrate. Celebrate your growth, your little achievements and milestones. After every big milestone is achieved, have fun with your family and friends. Celebrate simple achievements to boost up yourself to lead a healthy lifestyle. Like, share, subscribe to the AllTube for more such videos.